Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best smart door sensors you can buy right now. Whether you're looking to enhance your home security, automate your smart home, or simply keep track of who's coming and going, we've got you covered. We'll break down the features, performance, and value of each product so you can make the best choice. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the 4-pack Smart Door and Window Sensor by Xfox. This budget-friendly option offers basic smart home security features for those looking to dip their toes into the smart sensor market. It connects via Wi-Fi to the Tuya or Smart Life app, allowing you to receive notifications when a door or window opens. You can also control the sensor with Alexa or Google Assistant for added convenience. In terms of design, the sensors are compact and lightweight, with a simple rectangular shape that makes installation easy using the included 3M adhesive. However, the build quality feels a bit flimsy compared to more premium options. Performance-wise, the Xfox sensor gets the job done, but there's a noticeable delay of about 6 to 8 seconds in notifications, which might be a deal breaker for some users. Additionally, the sensors require 2 AAA batteries, which are not included, and the lack of a hub means Wi-Fi range limitations could be a concern for larger homes. Overall, this sensor is ideal for those on a tight budget or users who want a simple solution for smaller spaces. However, the delayed notifications and limited build quality keep it from ranking higher. Pros include easy installation and app compatibility, while cons include the notification lag and the need to purchase separate batteries. At number 4, we have the SenKit Wi-Fi Door Sensor. This single-pack sensor offers dual Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, which is great for ensuring stable communication with your smartphone. The sensor works with the Tuya and Smart Life apps, and you'll receive real-time alerts whenever a door or window is opened or closed. Plus, it integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can check door statuses or create automation routines with other smart devices. The design is sleek and minimal, with a white finish that blends easily into any home decor. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included 3M adhesive. In terms of performance, this sensor is reliable for most standard use cases, though it lacks advanced features like customizable alarms or integration with hubs for extended functionality. Battery life is rated at 1 year with the included AAA batteries, and you'll get a low power warning via the app when it's time for a replacement. This sensor is a good choice for small homes or apartments, especially if you're just starting to build your smart home ecosystem. While it doesn't offer groundbreaking features, it's dependable and easy to use. Pros include seamless voice control and simple installation, while cons include the lack of a HUD and relatively short battery life. Coming in at number 3 is the Gaudacache Wi-Fi Door Window Sensor. This 4-pack is perfect for those who need multiple sensors to secure their home. It connects directly to your Wi-Fi network, no hub required, and works with the Tuya or Smart Life apps. You'll receive instant notifications on your phone whenever a door or window is opened. It's also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can check statuses or integrate the sensors into your smart home routines. The design is modern and compact, and the sensors are easy to install using the included 3M adhesive strips. Performance-wise, the Gaudacache sensors are fairly reliable, though they do have a slight delay in sending notifications. Battery life is rated for 1 year, and the sensors use AAA batteries, which are included. A nice touch. However, the lack of advanced features like customizable alarms or integration with smart hubs might be a downside for some users. If you're looking for an affordable way to cover multiple entry points in your home, the Gaudacache sensors are a solid option. Pros include the budget-friendly 4-pack and seamless app integration, while cons include occasional delays in notifications and limited advanced features. At number 2, we have the Yolink LoRa Smart Door Sensor Starter Kit, a standout product for those who need long-range connectivity and robust performance. This kit includes a Yolink hub and 4 sensors, making it a great option for larger homes. What sets Yolink apart is its use of LoRa technology, which offers a quarter-mile open-air range, far beyond what Wi-Fi-based sensors can achieve. This is perfect for securing outbuildings, garages, or even RVs. The sensors also have a remarkable 5-year battery life, so you won't need to worry about frequent replacements. The design is functional and durable, with easy installation using 3M adhesive. The sensors integrate with Alexa, IFTTT, and Home Assistant, providing versatile automation options. One unique feature is the door left open reminder, which alerts you if a door or window is left ajar for too long. Ideal for preventing energy loss or ensuring security. Notifications are sent via SMS, email, or the app, and the system even works offline thanks to device-to-device pairing. While it's a bit more complex to set up due to the included hub, the Yolink kit is a fantastic choice for users who prioritize range and reliability. Pros include the extended range, long battery life, and offline functionality, while cons include the initial setup process and the need for a hub. Finally, at number 1, we have the Tapo Door Sensor Starter Kit. This premium option offers an impressive blend of features, performance, and value, making it our top pick. The kit includes 3 sensors and a smart hub with a built-in chime, ensuring seamless integration into your smart home. It's Matter certified, which means it's compatible with major platforms like Alexa, Google Home, Apple HomeKit, and Samsung Smart Things. This universal compatibility sets it apart from many competitors. The design is sleek and compact, and the sensors are easy to install using either magnetic or adhesive mounting. Performance is where the Tapo kit truly shines. You'll receive real-time notifications when doors or windows are opened, and the hub supports up to 64 devices, making it scalable for larger homes. The sensors also integrate with Tapo cameras, enabling automatic recording when a door is opened. Battery life is impressive, lasting up to 2 years on the included CR2032 batteries. In terms of value, the Tapo kit is hard to beat. For $59.99, you're getting a robust system with advanced features like customizable alarms, smart lighting automation, and top-notch security. Pros include Matter certification, seamless integration, and excellent performance, while cons are virtually non-existent. This is the best option for anyone looking to build a reliable and versatile smart home security system. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about the products we covered, feel free to ask, and I'll get back to you. See you in the next video.